I got something today that's going to blow your mind. What if I told you that most laptops that people use for trading are slower than a dial-up modem from 1995? I'm not kidding. The majority of machines out there are choking on real-time market data while you're trying to make money. Today, I'm going to show you the exact laptop that is absolutely destroying the competition in 2026 and how one simple number reveals everything you need to know about your laptop's trading power. Look, I've been in this game for over 2 decades, and I've seen traders actually lose money because their computer can't keep up with market data. And you know what else drives me nuts? Watching people argue about processing power, arguing about things like gigahertz and core counts, like they're drafting a fantasy football team when there's one magic number that tells you everything. Forget the confusing tech specs. I'm about to give you the truth about what actually matters for your laptop trading performance. And here's what most people don't understand about trading computers. When the market opens and the volatility hits, your machine isn't just running one program, one trading platform. You've got multiple platforms streaming live data. You have charts updating every millisecond. You have your indicators updating every millisecond, scanners running through thousands of stocks. You've got news feeds blasting updates. You might even have YouTube playing in the background because let's be honest, we all do. And hopefully you're watching one of my videos. Your laptop is multitasking harder than a Wall Street intern hammering a Red Bull. Most laptops you find in stores are built for portability and battery life, not for processing massive amounts of real-time financial data. They're designed to look pretty at Starbucks, not to execute trades at lightning speed when the market moves against you. That's exactly why I created the Odyssey laptop specifically for traders who demand performance. The Odyssey runs on the latest processor technology that delivers a benchmark score of 58,444. Now you might be wondering, what the heck is a benchmark score? Think of it like horsepower for your trading laptop. It's the one number that cuts through all the marketing nonsense and tells you exactly how fast your machine can crunch numbers in the real world. Most traders get caught up in the wrong specifications. They'll debate whether the clock speed or the core count matters more. But that's like arguing whether pistons or cylinders make a car faster. What actually matters is the total horsepower, and that's exactly what the benchmark score measures. It puts your processor through a standardized stress test that mirrors real-world computing demands. For serious trading, you want a minimum benchmark score of 45,000. That's the threshold where your trading laptop starts choking on real-time data and starts keeping up with market speed. Fall below that number, especially way below, say 25,000, and you're risking slippage when your computer's lag makes your orders hit the markets milliseconds too late. Suddenly, the price you get filled at looks like a bad joke and you're losing money because your machine just can't keep up. Now, the Odyssey's benchmark score of 58,444 means it can handle heavy data flow and complex multitasking without breaking a sweat. Whether you're running 5 trading platforms simultaneously or you're analyzing charts across multiple time frames, this machine delivers the speed you need to stay competitive. Now, let me show you exactly how to test your current laptop's benchmark score so you can see where you stand. So here is how you figure out your computer's benchmark score. The very first step is that we need to know exactly what processor is in your computer. And that's very simple to do. So in your Windows-based computer, click the Start button and start typing device specifications. You will see it will auto-populate. Just go ahead and click device specifications. A box will come up. It says system and about. What you want to do, just make sure it's scrolled all the way to the top. And here you will see information about your computer. So what we want to do is look for our processor. And in this case, I have the AMD Ryzen 9 9950X3D 16-core processor at 4.3 gigahertz. Jot that down. That is very important piece here because knowing exactly what processor we have will tell us exactly what our benchmark score is. You also might want to jot down how much RAM you have as well while you're on this page. So 90% of the processors are either going to be AMD or Intel. It is possible you have another brand, but it doesn't really matter. Our database of processors should cover just about all manufacturers. So once you've written that down, go ahead and click the link that is in the description under this video. The link is easytradingcomputers.net/CPU. And you can wait till this video is over before you do that. But the link is right underneath this video in the description. Once you click that link, you're going to get to this page right here. You don't have to watch this video. I'm explaining this to you right now. Go ahead and scroll down. Click the Windows icon right underneath the Windows icon. Get started. That'll take you to this page. And underneath this video is a box, and it says Search CPU. In that box, you want to start typing the processor you just wrote down. AMD Ryzen 9. Notice it starts to auto-populate. 9950. And look, here is my processor right here. X3D. I click to fill in the processor. Then I'll click Next Step. And on the very next page, it's giving me my benchmark score, 70,598. And that is how you find your computer's benchmark score. Now that you have your benchmark score, take a look at the complete guide to laptops for traders. This resource includes detailed benchmark comparisons and setup recommendations. Click the link in the description to download your guide right now. But here's what makes the Odyssey Easy Trading laptop special beyond just raw processing power. It includes a discrete high-end graphics processor that's critical for trading setups. Most laptops force that main processor to handle both the data processing and the video output. This creates a bottleneck that slows everything down. But with the Odyssey, the graphics processor handles all of the visual work and the AI, while your CPU stays focused on what really matters, your trading software and your data analysis. The Odyssey EZ comes loaded with premium features that traders actually need. We're talking about a massive solid-state hard drive, an NVMe hard drive, that boots your system in under 20 seconds and opens your trading platforms nearly instantaneously. No more waiting around while the market moves without you. The 32 gigs of memory ensures smooth operation even when you're running multiple data-intensive applications simultaneously. And you can upgrade that to 64 or 128 gigabytes, totally up to you. Here's something most people don't realize right now about laptop specs. Memory prices are absolutely skyrocketing right now. We're seeing increases of 300 to 400% across the industry, and it's getting worse every month. Component manufacturers are struggling to keep up with all of the demand from these AI data centers, and that's driving costs through the roof. We're doing everything we can to hold our prices down and absorb these increases, but it's becoming increasingly difficult. What sets the Odyssey apart from typical consumer laptops, those ones you get at Best Buy and Costco, is that it's specifically engineered and optimized for traders and for trading workloads. Every component is selected for financial market applications. The processor architecture is designed to handle multiple data streams simultaneously without creating bottlenecks. The memory configuration is optimized for rapid data access. Even the cooling system is designed to maintain peak performance during extended trading sessions. But performance is not the only part of the equation. Reliability is absolutely critical for trading applications. The Odyssey undergoes extensive stress testing to ensure it can handle the demands of professional trading environments. So check this out. Right now, I've put the 18-inch Odyssey Easy Trading laptop at a very special price just for you. But this offer is not going to last long. With component costs and memory costs continuing to skyrocket and supply chain pressures increasing, we can't guarantee these prices indefinitely. If you're serious about upgrading your trading laptop setup, this might be your last opportunity to get this level of performance at this price point. What makes Easy Trading computers different from everybody else? It's our premium level of technical support. It's what happens after you get that laptop. Have you ever tried to call Dell or HP technical support? You know what I mean. Our technical support team is specifically trained on trading applications. They understand the unique requirements of financial market software. Unlike generic computer support that might not understand trading terminology or workflows, our team speaks your language, and we can provide targeted assistance when you need it most. We also have multiple financing options that make this premium performance accessible to traders at all levels. Whether you prefer to pay in full or spread the payments out over time, we have flexible options that will work with your budget and your cash flow requirements. For traders who demand the absolute best performance, portability, and reliability, the 18-inch Odyssey Easy Trading laptop represents the pinnacle of technology in 2026. The benchmark score of 58,444 puts it in the top tier of mobile trading systems, and the specialized optimizations make it the clear choice for serious market participants. Plus, throw in our dedicated premium professional technical support, and you have the ultimate laptop for trading in 2026. Don't let an outdated computer cost you in profitable trades. Click the link that's in the description to secure your 18-inch Odyssey Easy laptop at this very special pricing while supplies last. This is Ed EZ. Thanks for watching, and take a look at this video next. And as I always say, may the trend be with you.